Hey, welcome back, math friends. We are on day 3 of percents and percentages. And today, we are diving into the exciting world of percent increase and decrease. And remember that an increase is when there is more afterwards. And with a decrease, there is always less, okay? Because an increase means the amount is going up, and with a decrease, the amount is going down. All right, so the first thing I want you to notice is that it says here to copy to your notes. So the very first thing you need to do, very neatly and tidy, like at the top of lesson 3.0 in your math notebook, is this right here where it says percent increase and decrease. So when we want to calculate a percent increase, you have to find the difference between the new value and the old value. So you subtract the new value minus the old value, and then you're going to divide that by the old value. And then when you're done, you're going to multiply that amount by 100 to find the percent increase. Percent decrease, when the amount goes down, is the same thing. You're going to find the difference between the new value and the old value. So you're going to subtract those two numbers, and you're going to divide that number by the old value or the original value, and then you're going to multiply that by 100 to come up with your percent. Make sure you copy that down in your math notebook as neatly as you can, because this is going to be very important when it comes to percent increase and decrease. And with that, takes us to our very first problem right here. Last year, a fishing license cost $53. Last year, the cost was $53. Remember, if I highlight it, you need to write it. This year, the license will cost $33.92. What is the percent decrease? So obviously the amount went down, the decrease. So if we want to find the percent decrease, okay, here's how this goes. You ready? We're going to find the difference between $33.92 and $53. So we're going to subtract one from the other. $53 minus $33.92. That's the difference between the two. And we're going to divide that by the original value, which was $53. Okay. Now when we do the math for the top, $53 minus $33.92, that gives us $19.08. That is the difference between 53 and 33.92. And we keep the $53 because that is still our original amount. And then we divide that. 1908 divided by 53. And that comes out to 0.36. And then remember, at the very end, we multiply that by 100. And when we multiply it by 100, that comes out to 36. So that was a 36%. And remember, that was a decrease because the amount went down. 36% decrease. Easy peasy. Remember, it's just a matter of dividing the difference between the two amounts by the original amount and multiply that by 100. All right, I'm going to expect you to be able to do the remainder of the next 3 problems on your own. Camila, who's trying to be an influencer on TikTok. The cost of Spectrum Internet. And then Sophia, studying bird migration. Don't forget to answer the essential question at the end. Thanks very much. Have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to be awesome, and make sure your notes are neat and complete.